Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Nitrogen oxide resonance structures can be tricky, but we will find the most stable one fast by checking formal charges and electronegativity rules. Let's solve this now. First, we look at both structures to identify where the formal charges are located. Structure 2 is actually the preferred resonance form because of how it distributes its negative charge. Structure 2 assigns the -1 charge to oxygen while structure 1 puts it on nitrogen. Therefore, structure 2 is better, making option D our final winner. You got this! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs.